नमस्कार दोस्तों। हम लोग आज कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर शीला नाम्बियार से। So could you give us some tips कि how a person can build their willpower and they can be consistent in what they are doing? Because for a month or so, taking a resolution, starting something, but when they do not get the desired results, they are not able to push themselves forward. So could you please just reflect something on this with your
Yeah,
experience? Yeah.
yeah, that's a great question, Adi. See, the point is this: willpower is. We need to understand the concept of willpower clearly. Willpower is not infinite, which means that you cannot draw from it at all times, at any time. It's almost like a muscle. When you work it too hard, the muscle starts to tire. In the same way, if you work your willpower too hard, it will start to tire. What I mean to say is this. Now, if you have a goal, let's say I will lose 10 kilos in 2 months or in 1 month, and you do everything that you possibly can, including starving, including exercising too much, following all kinds of mad things, you will deplete your willpower because number one, you will deplete energy. You can't sustain such things. And number two, like I said, the willpower is not infinite. So you have to bolster it up in many ways in order for you to sustain exercise, anything, exercise or even a healthy eating plan. So there are some things that you can do to sustain motivation, not just willpower, but motivation. And one of the things is how you adapt your lifestyle to encouraging you to exercise. So, for instance, I have patients coming to me with their, let's say, their teenage daughters with polycystic ovaries or who are overweight and who say, Madam, my daughter is so overweight, so please tell her that what she should eat and how much she should exercise. Now, if I give this young girl advice to go for a walk every single day, and she has to get up in the morning at 6 o'clock and go for a walk or go for a run and eat healthy, etc. But if her household does not follow a healthy diet, nobody gets up at 6 o'clock in the house, nobody else follows this advice, very difficult for that one person to do it. So you need a supportive environment. Find a fitness buddy. Find a good trainer who can motivate and encourage you. Find mentors who can motivate and encourage you. And it's been said that the friends you keep are very, very important. So if all your friends tend to be the kind who don't exercise, eat a lot of fast food, smoke or drink, you do tend to fall in line with that. So try and be around people who also believe in a healthy lifestyle and start small. Most people have these very grand goals, but when you push too hard, you tend to fail because your body can't sustain something like that. So start small. You can start with even just 10 minutes of walking a day and then increase it gradually to 15, 20. Set up your exercise, set up the stage for your exercise the previous night. For example, keep your shoes ready, keep your workout gear ready, keep your bottle of water ready. So as soon as you wake up, you are more motivated to get out of the door and go and finish your workout. So little things like this can help you sustain it. And I think also what is very important is reward. So what I mean by that is every time you achieve even a small goal, you need to reward yourself. Not with food, but with something that will motivate you to take it a step further. So even if it is losing, say, 500 grams or 1 kilo, or sustaining a healthy diet for 1 week, you need to reward yourself in a positive way by choose your reward. Maybe it is having a nice chat with somebody whom you're close to or watching a great movie, a reward that does not contradict what you've been trying to do in the last one week. So rewards are important because it's been proven that every time you reach for a goal, the neurotransmitter dopamine is released in the brain, and that encourages you to go a little further. So rewards are important. Keeping the right environment and the right company is very important. Finding the right motivators, your mentors, your trainers, these things are important. And setting the right goals, lastly, setting the right goals, which means be realistic with your goals. don't aim to lose 10 kilos in 1 month. Be realistic and plan the action for the goal. So the goal is not weight loss in 10 months. That's not under your control. Sorry, how much weight you lose. That's not under your control. Very often you can't reach that goal. What you need to do is your goal should be, I will exercise for 15 minutes every day. I will eat X, Y, Z every day. That is your goal and that's within your control. So have the right goals and realistic goals.
और आपने अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बड़ा क्लियरली बताया कि जो विल पावर है वो मसल की तरह है दोस्तों। और कुछ लोग क्या है प्लान बनाते हैं, 1 महीने का प्लान बनाते हैं कि भाई हम खूब स्टार्विंग कर लेंगे, खूब एक्सेसिव एक्सरसाइज कर लेंगे और वो वॉर्न आउट हो जाते हैं। क्योंकि विल पावर की भी एक लिमिट है, उसको अगर ज्यादा आप खींचेंगे तो विल पावर की एनर्जी भी डिप्लीट हो जाती है। तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है, हम ले सकते हैं। और विल पावर को बूस्ट करने के तरीके हम लोग सीखें, और बूस्ट करने के कई तरीके हैं। जैसे एक एग्जांपल दिया उन्होंने एक टीनेज लड़की का, कि अगर उसको हम 6 बजे उठने को कहेंगे मॉर्निंग के अंदर, पर उसके परिवार वाले नहीं उठ रहे हैं, तो उसको इतना मोटिवेटेड फील नहीं होगा। तो उसको एक बडी रखना है, कोई कोच बडी रखना है, कोई मेंटर रखना है। एक फैमिली के एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर बदलाव लाना बेहद जरूरी है अगर हम किसी को मोटिवेट करना चाहते हैं। और सबसे पहली बात है, छोटे से स्टार्ट करिए ना दोस्तों। हम क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा जो प्रॉब्लम हम लोग फेस करते हैं वो पेशेंस का फेस करते हैं। हम एक साथ बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं। जैसे कहा गया कि 1 महीने में 10 किलो वजन कम कर लेंगे, 15 किलो वजन कर देंगे, एंड दे जस्ट डू इट लाइक मैड। तो थोड़े टाइम के लिए कर भी लेंगे, उसको कंसिस्टेंटली नहीं रख पाते। वेट लॉस को फोकस रखते हैं, वो अपनी एक कहते ना कि अच्छा कि मुझे फिट रहना है, इस पे फोकस नहीं होता। ये प्रॉब्लम है। तो अगर आप प्लान करेंगे, सो इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग कि आप गोल बनाइए, गोल को थोड़ा रियलिस्टिक रखिए और उसकी प्लानिंग करिए। प्लानिंग में ये तक भी करिए कि आप रात में सोने से पहले अपने जूतों को सही जगह पे रखें। आप लोग अपने जिम का पूरा सामान रखें कि जिससे आप जब सुबह उठें आपको दिखे जूते, तो आपको पता चले कि यार मुझे जिम के लिए जाना है। और रिवॉर्डिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट रिवॉर्डिंग शुड नॉट क्लैश विथ व्हाट यू हैव प्लान्ड। ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने आधा किलो वजन या 500 ग्राम अगर कम भी कर लिया तो आप चले हैं कुछ गोलगप्पे खाने। दोस्तों इसका ध्यान रखिएगा, क्योंकि आप किसी अच्छे दोस्त से चैट कर सकते हैं, आप मूवी देख सकते हैं जैसे कि शीला ने कहा, एंड इट शुड नॉट कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। सो डोपामीन रिलीज होता है तो अच्छा फील होता है दोस्तों। ये एक बेसिक सी चीज है जो हम सब लोगों को समझनी होगी।